Hi guys, welcome back. To celebrate International Bacon Day, we're making American pancakes with crispy bacon.
So this is a really simple and delicious recipe and a real treat. So let's get started. You will need some streaky bacon,
130 grams of plain flour,
1 large egg,
150 millilitres of milk,
15 grams of butter which you'll need to melt,
a pinch of salt,
1 teaspoon of baking powder,
and half a teaspoon of sugar.
So firstly, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, which is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You next want to place your streaky bacon onto your baking tray. As an addition, if you want, you can add some brown sugar for that extra caramelization. You next want to place your bacon into the preheated oven. We left ours in the oven for about 23 minutes.
Then lightly beat your egg. In a separate large mixing bowl, sift in your flour, baking powder, and add in your sugar and salt.
Now make a small well in your dry ingredients and add in your beaten egg, your melted butter, and also your milk. Then mix it until it just about comes together.
Then on a low to medium heat, grease your pan with some butter and add in a ladle of the pancake mix.
Once you see bubbles on the surface appearing on your pancake, then it's time to flip it over. Leave it for 1 more minute to cook and then your pancake should be done. Then follow this process to cook the remainder of your pancakes.
And remember to keep an eye on your bacon while making your pancakes. And this is what ours looked like after 23 minutes.
However, if you don't want it as crispy as that, then you can leave it in for a shorter period. Once your pancakes are done, stack them up along with your bacon and add on a topping of your choice like maple syrup, honey, golden syrup. We decided to go for maple syrup.
And there you have it, your pancakes and bacon, a very hearty breakfast treat. Enjoy!
Happy International Bacon Day, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment below on any other recipes that you want to see, and we will see you on the next one.